Hi sweetie, let's prepare fish roll from scratch. Like, this is just going to be the best and the easiest way to get this done. So first you are needing fish. Cut out the head. I'm just adding the fish over here because I have to get that boil. Adding salt. Then I add the nut cube. Adding water, then allow this to cook. On this food processor, we are going to be adding onions. So here we have red shombo. I make use of 2. So we are going to be needing this hot pepper. So that is red chili. Add that, then get this process. So after processing, you have something like this. Just keep it aside. Now you are needing 1 red tatashi and then this yellow bell pepper. Then get that slice. Over here. Just keep it aside. So sweetie, at this point the fish has cooked. Just bring it out so you can cool down. Look at that. So allow the fish to cool down a little bit. Don't throw the stock, you can always use it. So you're going to be needing this one. So add an oil. We'll be adding this pepper mix. Season with salt. Adding curry powder. And then adding thyme. Just adding the curry powder like this. Then so add a little bit of oregano. Allow the pepper to fry for just 1 minute. So now we are going to debone the fish and then get rid of the bone like this. Now we are going to be adding the fish. Then stir that together. 1 minute later, add in this bell pepper and then allow this to stir fry for 4 minutes before you turn off the heat. So sweetie, at this point it's ready and it cook and fry so perfect. So yummy. So at this point we turn off the heat so that the sauce will cool down before we use it. So over here we are going to be needing flour. So adding salt, adding sugar, adding baking powder, then mix. So now we are going to be needing butter. Use the butter to massage the flour. So now that you are done massaging the flour and the butter, you are going to have something like this. Then adding water. So that is normal cold water. Use it to massage the dough. So now I'm going to transfer the dough back to the wall surface. Then mix to have a strong dough. So once you achieve this type of dough, it's good to go. So sweetie, at this point the dough is ready. Let the dough to have a rectangle shape. Then go with your roller. So sweetie, shape is okay. Don't allow that to be too flat and then don't allow it to be too big. So now you are going to be needing something like this as a knife. Cut it and then do the same to this side, to this too. First. So over here I'm going to be needing egg, but I'm not making use of the egg yolk. I'll try to separate it. So this egg white is good to go. Then keep the egg yolk aside. So here we have the sauce. I'll gently add the sauce over here. So this one is good to go. Then you cover. So gently cover until you reach the end. Just cover. So now you have everything. So here you tag it very well again. So now you can cut it. Then just this one is okay. Then use the same measurement like this. Now you have your baking pan. Then grease it around with butter like this. Take everything back over here like this. Just grease it around like this with the egg wash. Just wash it very well, and then now you have this kind of fake. Just little bit of 2 dots, and then you are having your oven. This is going to be baking about 30 minutes, and we are going to be back. See you guys later. So sweetie, this is 30 minutes later. Wow, this is so gorgeous. Look at that. So beautiful. Baked so perfect. Wow, wow, wow. My goodness, look at that. It was so perfect. Oh my gosh, look at that. It was filled up so perfect. So sweetie, you can always enjoy this with any available juice around you. Like, this is so yummy. Look at that, guys. Let's taste. It's so perfect. Wow. Wow. So sweetie, don't forget to share and try this for yourself. Anytime, any day, you can easily get this done. I love you in my next one. Bye bye.